Hi, today we're going to talk about this item here, the Pinksky 3-in-1 Multimedia Streaming Studio Kit 10-inch LED ring light with phone clip and desktop tripod. Pretty much just going to go ahead and unbox this and then kind of put it together, show everybody what it looks like assembled, and then kind of give my take on it while I'm doing that. Before I get started, if you can hit the subscribe button on the bottom right corner, the red button, that would be awesome. I'm trying to build up my subscriber base. If I've added value to your viewing with this video, please do hit the like button and do feel free to leave me some comments. I always look forward to hearing from you. So let's get started. So I'm going to unbox this. Once again, this is the Pinksky 3-in-1 Multimedia Studio Kit. It's a 10-inch ring light. Most of these ring lights are 10 inches. I've done a few videos already on ring lights. This item is pretty unique in that this box is pretty big. Usually when I see the ones that are pretty flat, so this one, they kind of give you a lot of paper, but pretty much the stuff inside is very much the same. So let's get started. All right, so let's open this box. Just want to give you, so there's the front of it, and then there's the back. So the back kind of gives you an idea how it looks like. All right, let's take this out. All right. So the first thing you get is you get the 10-inch ring light, which is here. Once again, the power is through a USB. As with many of my other videos, most of these ring lights are with USB. They don't give you an actual power cord. So you can actually stick this into your laptop, your computer, or a plug that has a USB. So that's your 10-inch ring light. The second thing you'll get is you're going to get your tripod, which is this right here. And basically it just pops open. The third thing you're going to get is you're going to get your phone holder stand, which is this item here. So there's your phone holder stand. And then for this one, your phone holder stand actually comes with the phone holder. So this phone holder stand right here, normally sometimes they'll become separate, but this one actually comes where it's already attached to it, but you can also unattach it. And last but not least is your tripod head, which is right here. So let's go ahead and open it. So there's your tripod head. There's the plastic it came with. So as you can see, it's pretty huge, this thick, So, all right. So, what would you use this for? You can use it for multimedia. If you're streaming and you want to upload videos to like websites that allow you to upload your videos, there's many of them, Instagram, YouTube, and a bunch of them. The other thing you can do is just cosmetics. As with this box, it's great for cosmetics because you can be up close and you can just be presenting yourself and recording yourself, or you can do it live too. So that's a great thing about that. So you know what? We're going to go assemble it now. All right. First thing you do is get this, which is your phone holder and your phone holder stand right here. You're going to stick it into the 10-inch LED light. So as you can see right here, there's a screw right there. Just screw this screw in to this hole right here. Very easy. All right. So there you go. Now, the next thing you will want to do is you want to get the tripod head, which is this right here. And you want to hook it to the bottom of this item right here. So as you can see, there's a little hole there and there's a screw in here, right there. So you just screw this into here. Okay. So again, this one, many of them, they come up with swivel. I think I've seen some where they don't. They're just pretty much straight. But with the videos that I've done, they do, many of them do have this little edge here which you can actually tilt the 10-inch ring light, which is very, very great because it allows you to kind of tilt it to a direction that you want it to, because everybody looks at it when they're recording themselves differently with the ring light, or some people are tall and some people are not as tall. So now one of the things you also want to do is, once you want this right here, this knob here, is to tighten this piece right here. So once you tighten it, the ring light doesn't tilt, but you loosen it, you can tilt the ring light. And last but not least, you're going to stick the tripod. So as you can see, this item right here, it's very quick to assemble these tabletop ring lights. You're going to spread open the legs of the tripod, and then you're going to just place it down here. So as you can see. Okay. Now, the other thing that we notice is that, there's a remote control right here, and they're universal. A lot of these tabletops would have the same information on this remote control. So once again, you got to plug this in. So let's plug this in first, and then we'll talk about the remote control. So all of them will have the red on-off switch and lighted. They'll have a minus and a plus. The minus and plus is just kind of like for you to actually decide what you want your brightness levels to be. And then the middle, where there's two wavy lines right there, that's for your different modes. For the 3 modes that this one offers: the daylight, the soft white, and the warm. So those are your 3 modes. And let me just take a look at this box to see if there's anything else that stands out. Is a 3 temperature setting and 10 brightness levels. So once again, a lot of these tabletop lights, they're different brands, but they'll have like a 10 brightness level, and this one does too. So let's go ahead and test it out. So power this on, it comes on. Let's change the different modes. And once again, you want to do the mode, you got to do the 2 wavy buttons right between the plus and minus. So one mode, that's second mode, third mode, and back to first mode. Second mode, third mode. So as you can see right there. Now let's go ahead and let's kind of decrease the brightness. There's one right there already, right there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there you can see. So you can choose the different modes you want of the brightness, the daylight, the soft white, or the warm. But I just chose one, and then I can test the 10 different color modes, brightness modes that are available. As you can see, the 10 different modes that are available. So this is very much this Pinksky live streaming ready 3-in-1 multimedia streaming studio kit. Let me go ahead and just put my phone in there too, so you guys can take a look. So you can actually bring this over, and again, this phone holder here is a pull, and a lot of them are like that. They're just a pull. So you're gonna stick your phone in there. There you go. See? And that's it. I'll take this back out. So you guys can see the final product after it's been assembled and powered on. Now, would I use this product? I definitely would. If I was doing cosmetics, I think this would be an awesome item. Any of these tabletop ring lights would work really well. And they're 10 inches. That's very well enough to use. And you get 3 different modes, and also you have 10 different brightness settings. So it'll do the job. Let's just say that. Would I buy it? I definitely would. Would I use it for a cosmetic? Yes, I would. Would I use it for vlogging? I may. It depends. I think this will be workable, but this is a great beginner starter item to use. And it's very basic. As you can see, it's very easy to set up. So that's the great thing about it. Hopefully this video added some value to your viewing. If so, please hit the like button and leave me some comments. I always like hearing from you guys. And once again, please click on the subscriber button on the bottom right corner from your viewing side, and as I want to build up my subscriber base. Once again, I make videos every uploads Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and I look forward to hearing from you guys.